Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
How many of you have the typical master bath? You've got the garden tub, a double vanity. It's functional space, but it's not fabulous. If that's you, today we're going to show you how to transform your bathroom into something really fabulous. In this walk-in shower, we thought of everything. They've got a thermostatic control panel, which allows them to control the body sprayers, the hand shower. You've got the rain head, the regular shower fixture. We went ahead and put in grab bars because when you're thinking about aging in place and the longer you go, you might have a need for that for ADA and for safety. We've got grab bars, we've got the fold down bench if that's needed in the future, and it's gorgeous. One of the things you want to think about if you're aging in place is a tub. Sometimes it's hard to get in and out, you don't want to fall. A walk-in tub is a great option for that. This one has hydrotherapy, all of the jets, it's got a heated backrest. It's a great thing to have if you're planning on aging in place in your bathroom. One of the coolest things about this bathroom is the Kohler NUMI toilet. It's automatic. This thing has everything you can think of. It has lights, it has Bluetooth, you can stream your favorite podcast if you're going to camp out for a while, heated seats, wash modes, automatic air drying system. Trust me, if you want the Cadillac of toilets, this is what you want. So there are a lot of different ways that you can create cool aesthetics in a bathroom. We did a nice tempered privacy glass here instead of a wall to separate the toilet, and then follow me into this closet. They wanted a great closet organizer so that all of their clothes and their belongings would be well organized. This has great drawers, it has hanging space, it's got a spot for everything. So if you have a renovation need in mind, whether it's a bathroom, a kitchen, a deck, call the F&S Building Innovations team and we'll help you get there.